Hey guys, hope you're well. Yeah, so today we're going to be looking at adding, removing, and updating packages in Julia. So yeah, guys, on a side note, I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. So if you like what you see, please do subscribe and please do share the videos with your friends. So cool, so let's get started. So I'm going to have to call Julia. So Julia, so that's using terminal. Okay, so if you haven't got Julia, you need to download it. So just click on julialang.org and then click on download. Then if you go to Mac, just follow the instructions here. Then if you're using Windows, just click here as well and then follow the instructions. Then you install the software. Okay, cool. And then yeah, so cracking on. So I've got a library that I use called using Pkg. So that's the software that's the library that we use to download packages. Okay, so using Pkg. Okay, so if I need to add something, so Pkg.add, right? So I need to put my string in there. So yeah, so I'll go into the documentation part and then find Julia packages. So you got these sites here. So that one, that's Julia.jl, and then you find what you need. Okay. So just look at Jacobi. So let's say add Jacobi. So it's installed. Yeah, added. Okay, and then if you want to check the status of my packages, so I'll type in Pkg.status. So it shows me what's installed. Okay, so I've got all these installed. Okay, and then also just to make sure that Jacobi is installed. So using Jacobi. There we are. So it's actually installed. Okay, so this symbol obviously tells me that this package needs updating. So I'll type in Pkg.update symbolics. It's updating that. So that's the old version 527.1. So we're going to that one. So in the meantime, yeah, so this is a full library, so it shows you all the packages available. Okay, same as this one as well. So you click on mathematics. See if I do that. So you can search. So mathematics. So there you are. And then it shows you all the packages that are available. Then you can choose what you want. Okay. Let's just see where we're getting on. Yeah, it's done. Right. And then if I want to remove something, so package remove. Let me see, roots. Yeah, it's gone because it's in red now, so it's gone. So package, the status. So yeah, roots is not there anymore. So after polynomials, yeah, it's gone. It's not there anymore, right? And our symbolics has been updated to version 5.28.0. Yeah, so there we are. So I'm just going to add the roots again. So Pkg.add roots. Yeah, updating now. Drop down. So using roots. Here we are. Cool. So yeah, so that's how you do things in Julia. If you want to add packages, remove them or update them, and that's what you do. Okay, cool. So yeah, I hope this was helpful, guys. And like I said, if you like what you see again, please do subscribe and please share the videos with your friends. Okay, cool. So have a lovely day. Cheers. Bye bye.